السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Math grade 6. Today we have numerical expressions. Numerical expressions. Numerical expressions means order of operations. Means order of operations. Order of operations. What's the meaning of order of operations? Suppose I have expressions, and this expressions has many mean operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, parentheses, power. What I do to solve this problem? What I do to solve this problem? Must to know, very important to do this rule. It's very important to solve any expressions. The first one, parentheses like this. This is the meaning of parentheses, and brackets like this. So the first order for the parentheses and brackets. Then the second order for the exponent, for the exponents or powers, like 5 exponent 3. This is the meaning of exponent. The third one for multiply and divide. Multiply and divide. Multiply and divide the same value. Then for add and subtract or subtraction. So add and subtract the same value. And very important to know, the order of operation always from left to the right. So if I have in the same expression, if I have multiply or divide, what I do, if multiply came at the first, we will do multiply then divide. If the divide came at the first, we will do divide then multiply. Also for the plus and the minus, the same value. Right. We have many exercises here. Evaluate each expression. We have in this expression 9 plus 3 minus 5. In this expression we have two operations here, plus and minus. Plus and minus is the same value, but the order of operation from left to the right. So must to do plus then minus. So we can do now 9 plus 3 will be 12 minus 5. So 12 minus 5 will be 7. The next example. In this expression we have power, we have plus, we have divide. So the order here for the power, so do 5 exponent 2. 5 exponent 2 means 5 times 5. 5 times 5, 25. Plus 8 divide by 2. Now we have a plus and divide. The order for the divide. So do divide at the first. So we have 25 plus 8 divided by 2 will be what? Will be 4. Now 25 plus 4 we have 29. The third example. In this exercise we have plus, we have multiply, and we have parentheses. So the order for parentheses. Start to solve from parentheses. So we have here 7 plus 9 times, through the parentheses we have 3 plus 8 means 11. Now we have plus and multiplication. The order for multiplication. So we can write 7 plus 9 times 11, 99. Now 7 plus 99, 106. In this exercise, we have divide, we have a plus, we have multiply, and we have parentheses. The order for what? For parentheses. So the first step, do the parentheses. So we can write 55 divide by 11 plus 7 multiply by 2 plus 14, 16. Now we have divide and multiply. The order from left to the right. So the division came at the first. So do the division now. 55 divided by 11 will be 5 plus 7 times 16. Now we have a plus and we have multiply. The order for multiply. So we can write 5 plus 16 times 7. 7 times 6, 42. 2 here and 4 up. 7 times 1, 7 plus 4, 11. So we can write now 112. Now 5 plus 112, 117. Now suppose we have this exercise. For example, between parentheses we have 9 multiplied by 8 minus 2 divide by 7 plus 3 exponent 5 minus 3. So we have parentheses, we have divide, and we have power, and we have plus and minus. So the order for the parentheses, do the operation through the parentheses here. So we can write 9 times 8 will be 72 minus 2 divide 7 plus 3 exponent 5 minus 3. Also we have parentheses here. Continue the operation inside parentheses. 72 minus 2 will be 70. Divide by 7 plus 3 exponent 5 minus 3. Now 70, we have divide and we have a plus and we have exponent and we have minus. The order operation for what? For the exponent. So we can write 70 divided by 7 plus 3 exponent 5. 3 exponent 5. 3 exponent 5 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 5 times. So 3 times 3 will be 9. Times 3 will be 27. 27 times 3 will be 81. 81 times 3 will be 243. So we can write here 243 minus 3. Now we have divide, plus and minus. The order for divide. 70 divided by 7 will be 10. Plus 243 minus 3. Now we have plus and minus, the same value, but the plus came at the first. So will we do the plus, then will we do the minus. 10 plus 243 will be 253 minus 3, so will be 250. This is the meaning of numerical expressions or the order operations. Thank you for your listening and have a nice day.